Today we are going to study grammar. What in grammar? We are going to study common nouns. Okay? We are going to study common nouns in grammar. You can open your Grammarland book, page number 5 for the reference. So students, now what is noun? We already studied naming words, right? Noun is the same thing as naming words. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. It names a place, a person, an animal or a thing. What is noun? It is a naming word, right? We already studied in the previous lecture. Anything, any place, any animal or any person who has a name is called a naming word, right? Same way, noun is also a naming word. It names a place. What does the noun name? A place, a person, an animal or a thing. Okay? Same as naming words, noun also names a place, a person, an animal or a thing. Okay? Let us take the example of a place. A place. So a place like bank, school, home. Right? If I say I am going to school. So what is the noun? School is a noun because school tells us about the name of a place. Home. This is my home. So what is the noun? Home, because home tells us about the name of a place, right? A person like teacher, friend, doctor, nurse. All these are name of a person. Like I am a teacher. So what is the naming word? What is noun? The word teacher, because it tells us about the name of a person. Friend. She is my friend. She is my friend. So what is the noun over here? The word friend is the noun over here because it tells us about the name of a person. Doctor. She is a doctor. What is the noun in this? Doctor, because it tells us about the name of a person. Nurse. She is a nurse, right? So what is the noun in the sentence? The word nurse is the noun in the sentence because it tells us about the name of a person, right? An animal. It can be any animal like lion, rat, dog, duck. Okay? These words tells us about the name of an animal in a sentence. If I say the lion is brown in color, so what is the naming word over here? The word lion is the naming word over here because the word lion tells us about the name of an animal. If I say the duck says quack quack, what is the noun over here? The word duck is the noun over here because it tells us about the name of an animal, right? A thing, now it can be any particular thing. A chalk, a duster, a phone, a board, a chair, a table, any particular thing, okay? It can be a chair, a table, a book, a pen, anything, okay? If I say, this is my chair, what is the noun in the sentence? The word chair is the noun in the sentence because it tells us about a name of a thing, right? Table. Sit on the table. So what is the noun over here? The word table is the noun over here because it tells us about the name of a thing. Give your book for correction. So what is the noun over here? Book is the noun over here because it tells us about the name of a thing which you have to give for correction. Pen. This is a blue pen. So it tells us about the name of a thing. The word pen tells us about the name of a thing. So it is a noun over here. Okay. Okay. This is a chalk. I am a teacher. This is a board. Every sentence has a noun in it. Okay. This is a classroom. The students are studying. Okay. This all the sentence have a noun in it, right? This is a classroom. So the noun in this sentence is classroom, because the word classroom tells us about the name of a place. The students are studying. The word students are noun because it tells us about the name of student. Okay. So students, moving on, some other examples of noun are orange. Like the fruit orange. Okay, the fruit orange is also the name of a thing or name of a food. So it comes in noun. Okay, like I love to eat orange. So what is the naming word? The word orange is the noun or the naming word in the sentence. Cabbage is my favorite food. So what is noun in the sentence? Cabbage. Cabbage is the noun in the sentence because it tells us about the name of a food or a vegetable, right? Mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. What is the noun over here? The word mango is the noun as it tells us about the name of a thing or a food, right? All the name of a food gets counted in nouns as well. Cat. It is a black cat. So, what is the noun in this sentence? The word cat is a noun as it tells us about the name of an animal. Crow. It is a thirsty crow. So, the word crow is a noun in the sentence as it tells us about the name of an animal or a bird. Sun. The sun rises in the east. What is the noun in the sentence? The word sun is the noun in the sentence as it tells us about the name of a thing, right? Boy. He is a good boy. So now what is the noun in the sentence? The word boy is the noun in the sentence, right? Because it tells us about the name of a person. Girl. She is a good girl. So the word girl is the noun in the sentence as it tells us about the name of a person. Girl, right? Car. It is a blue car. So what is the noun in the sentence? The word car is the noun in the sentence as it tells us about the name of a thing. Parrot. The parrot is green in color. What is the noun in the sentence? The word parrot because it tells us about the name of an animal or a bird. Monkey. The monkey lives on a tree. What is the noun? The word monkey because it tells us about the name of an animal. Lock. It is a brown lock. What is the noun in the sentence? The word lock is the noun in the sentence as it tells us about the name of a thing, that is lock. So students, now moving to page number 6, exercise number 8. Match the words from column A to the pictures in column B. Okay. So we will start with the first one. The first one is banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Now you have to find a picture of banana over here and you have to match the column. So this is a picture of banana. So you will match the column. Second one is C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Chair. So you have to see a picture of chair in the column B and you have to match it. So here C-H-A-I-R. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Next one. The third one is singer. S-I-N-G-E-R. Singer. So this is the picture of a singer. Fourth one. R-O-A-D. Road. So you have to look for a picture of a road and match it. So here the picture of road. Next one. B-U-S. Bus. Where is the picture of a bus? Here. Last one. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. So here, this one. So students, now coming to question number B, page number 7. What do you have to do then? You have to circle the correct options, okay? So first one is B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. So what is banana? Is it a fruit or an animal? It is a fruit. So we will circle fruit over here. Next one, A-C-T-O-R, actor. Now actor is a name of a person or a thing? Person. So we will circle person over here. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Cow is the name of a thing or an animal? Animal. So we will circle animal over here. School, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. School is the name of a place or a person? Place. So we will circle place. Pen, P-E-N, pen. Is it a name of a thing or a place? It is the name of a thing. So we will circle thing over here. You have to circle the correct option. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Duck is the name of a bird or a fruit? It is the name of a bird. So we will circle bird over here. Okay, so we have circled all the nouns over here. So students, moving on. Question number C. So you can see the first picture and the options over here are orange, apple and tomatoes. So it is a picture of an apple. So you will take on the apple. Next, you can see a picture over here and the options given are plant, bush or a tree. What can you see in the picture? You can see a tree, right? So we will take on tree. So students, moving on, page number 8, question number D. So now there are some nouns given over here. You have to write whether they are name of a person, place or thing, okay? These words are given over here. You have to bifurcate and write whether they are name of a person, place or thing in the particular column of person, place and thing. Okay. So first one is bag. Now is bag a person, place or a thing? Yes, it is a thing. So you will write bag over here. B-A-G, bag. Next one is F-A-T-H-E-R, father, father. Father is the name of a person, place or thing? Yes, it is name of a person. So we will write father over here. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Third, B-A-N-K, bank. Bank is the name of a person, place or thing? It is the name of a place. So we will write bank over here. B-A-N-K. You will write the word bank in the column of place. Next, P-L-A-T-E, plate, plate. Where will plate come? It is the name of a thing. So it will come under thing. P-L-A-T-E, plate. Fourth one is M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Market is the name of a place. So it will come over here. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Next one, nurse, N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Nurse is the name of a person, so it will come under the person. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Moving to page number 8, question number E. So here you have to circle the names of birds and animals with blue and the names of things with red. Goat. Now goat is the name of an animal. So what will we do? We will circle it with blue. Next is sparrow. Sparrow is the name of a bird. So we will circle it with blue. You have to circle the name of animals and birds with blue and things with red. Spoon. Now spoon is a thing. So we'll Bucket. Bucket is the name of a thing. So we'll circle it with red. Ribbon. Ribbon is the name of a thing. So we'll circle it with red. Swan. Swan is the name of a bird. So we'll circle it with blue. Shirt. Shirt is the name of a thing. So we'll circle it with red. Doll. Doll is again the name of a thing. It is a toy. So it is the name of a thing. So we'll circle it with red. Ladder. Ladder is the name of a thing. So we'll circle it with red. Fish. Fish is the name of an animal. So we'll circle it with blue. Lion. It is the name of an animal. So blue. Donkey. It is the name of an animal. So again blue. Lamp. Lamp is the name of a thing. So we'll circle it with red. Toy. Toy is name of a thing. So we'll circle it with red. Moving on to page number 9 and question number F. Now what do you have to do over here? You have to write the correct name of all the pictures given there below the picture. Okay. So you can see the picture over here, right? So tell me what is drawn in the first picture. What can you see in the first picture? Yes, you can see a train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Yes. What can you see in the second picture? Yes, very good. You can see a park. P-A-R-K. Park. Third picture. What can you see in the third picture? Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Fourth one. What can you see in the fourth picture? Yes. In the bus you can see a driver. So driver. D-R-I-V-E-R. Driver. Fifth one. What can you see in the fifth picture? Yes. A ball. B-A-N-N. Ball. And the last one, that is the sixth one, a horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Students, so moving forward on page number 10, question number G. You can see there is a paragraph given and you have to underline the things that Sunil and his mom has bought from the supermarket. You have to underline the things that they buy. Sunil goes to a supermarket with his mother. They take a shopping cart. Sunil puts a pencil and Sunil puts a pencil. Now do they buy a pencil? Yes, they bought a pencil. So you will underline the pencil. Okay? And a notebook. What else did Sunil buy? He also bought a notebook. In the cart, his mother picks up a mug. What did his mother buy? A mug and an umbrella. And she also bought an umbrella. So we will also underline umbrella. Now they are in the food section. Sunil looks up at his mother and smiles. Please, he asks. His mother smiles too. She puts a cake. Now what else did they buy? They bought a cake from the food section of the supermarket. In the cart, Sunil gives her a hug. So what things did they buy? They bought a pencil. Sunil bought a pencil and a notebook. His mother bought a mug and an umbrella. And now they also bought a cake. So students, we have completed studying common nouns. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the live session. Bye.